Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the sports bonus on Betway. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your web browser. Then on the search bar, type in betway.com. Once you type it in, you'll get to this web page. On this page, you'll have to log into your account. And if you don't have an account, you can sign up for one by clicking on this button. And be careful while signing in. Because, for example, if you're creating a new account, you'll have to select this option where it says sports under the welcome offer section. Because if you select a no welcome offer, you can't use the sport bonus. So make sure to click on this option while creating your account. Once you have done so, log into your account, and once you log in, you'll get to this home page. Now you can go to any sports that you like to bet on and then select your odds. Once you have selected the odds, your sports bonus will be shown on the right hand side. Click on it and you'll be able to use it. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks.